Hello, today we will guide you through how to add subdomain on Cloudflare. To begin, open your Cloudflare account home. This is the main dashboard where all of your connected domains are listed. Once you're there, look for the domain you want to work with and select the sample domain shown in your account. This takes you into that specific domain's settings, where Cloudflare lets you manage security, traffic, and DNS records. After opening the domain, move to the left-hand navigation panel and click on DNS. This section is where Cloudflare stores the records that tell browsers and services how to find different parts of your website. If you're adding a subdomain, this is the area you'll use to create that connection. Inside the DNS section, click on Records. The Records page shows the existing DNS entries for your domain, such as A records, CNAME records, and others. Reviewing this page can help you understand what is already configured before adding anything new. Next, click on Add Record. This opens the form where you can create a new DNS entry for your subdomain. Take a moment here to make sure you're adding the correct type of record for the service you want to connect. In the New Record form, click on the Type field. Cloudflare gives you several DNS record options, and each one serves a different purpose. For adding a subdomain in this example, you'll choose a CNAME record. Select CNAME, then follow the on-screen procedure to complete the setup. Typically, this means entering the subdomain name you want to create and the target it should point to. Be sure to type the values exactly as required by the service or platform you're connecting to, since even a small typo can prevent the subdomain from working correctly. As you finish, it's a good idea to double-check the information before saving. DNS changes can sometimes take a little time to fully update, so if the subdomain doesn't work immediately, give it a few minutes and try again. Also, remember that the exact fields visible on screen may vary slightly depending on your Cloudflare account view, but the overall process remains the same. Once the record has been added successfully, your new subdomain setup will be in place in Cloudflare. That's all it takes to begin routing traffic for a subdomain through your DNS settings. Thanks for following along, and that's how to add a subdomain on Cloudflare.